Welcome to my YouTube channel. The Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 2022 is an essential gaming laptop computer that offers a good balance of performance and affordability. Here are the key specifications of the laptop. Display: it features a 15.6-inch Full HD display with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. This provides smooth visuals during gaming and other activities. Processor: the laptop is equipped with an AMD Ryzen 5 6600H processor. The Ryzen 5 6600H is a 6-core, 12-thread CPU that offers good performance for gaming and multitasking. Graphics: it comes with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 graphics card. The RTX 3050 is a capable mid-range GPU that provides good gaming performance and supports real-time ray tracing for more realistic lighting and effects. Memory: the laptop has 8GB RAM. While this is sufficient for most gaming needs, it's worth noting that some newer games may benefit from higher RAM capacities. Storage: it offers 256GB storage, which provides fast read and write speeds for quicker boot times and loading of games and applications. However, depending on your usage, you may find this storage capacity limiting, especially if you have a large game library or store multimedia files. Operating system: the laptop comes with Windows 11 Home pre-installed, providing an updated and user-friendly operating system experience. Overall, it is a solid entry-level gaming laptop with decent specifications. It should be capable of running most modern games at medium to high settings, although more demanding games may require some settings adjustments to maintain smooth frame rates.